With a look at Gala. All right, I love this token. I've been in it a very long time. Um, Pretty significant holder in this thing. Okay, so I have a lot invested in this thing. So looking at this chart means a very lot to me. All right, as it does you if you're watching this video. We're gonna break it down here, take a look at a few things, and see what could possibly be going on in here, okay? Over on the crypto bubbles here real quick, and if I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe, guys, if you appreciate updates on Gala. I would appreciate that so very much. All right, you can see a pretty decent pop out there in the market today. Here's Gala down here, plus 8.2%. Nice volume, 205 million. To give you an idea, Caspa had 55 million, all right? And Caspa's ranked higher even than Gala. So $1.89 billion market cap. We're up for 4 spots to number 62. All right, over on Coin Market Cap. I love to come over here and look at this. All right, Gala. I love to look at the circulating supply and stuff like that. All right, here's Caspa with total max of 28. Gala. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, the 32. All right, so do I believe a $3 Gala is a possibility? Absolutely, I do. You know, that's my belief. It hit 84 cents the last bull run, which was absolutely incredible. Okay, right up here, right. That says 75. That, yeah, that's wrong. 83.67, 84 cents. I don't know why this would say 75 on here. Really don't. But it's still down 92% from its all-time high. All right, it's done a from the all-time low of 40,000%, which is roughly a 40x. Which, believe it or not, it's done more than that. Okay, I got in maybe right there, 0.000. Let me look. I got 250,000 Gala for 37 bucks. So I'm just curious here. Let's look. 250, 25,000, 250,000 divided by 0.123151. Let's try that again. Sorry about that. We want to do times, all right? 250, 2,500, 250,000 times 0.123151 equals, yeah, $37.75. Okay, that's yeah. So you can see right there, that's what I got it for. 37 bucks. I got 250,000 gallon. It went to 84 cents. $200,000. You know, I did not sell the top. Wish I did. Wish my skills at that time would have been a lot better. Unfortunately, you know, I still sold for a significant profit, but you know, I'm way back in on this thing too because I believe the price target of $3 is very realistic for Gala. All right, up here we have a total supply of 32.5 billion, circulating 30.5 billion. All right, so there's only 2 billion left locked up. Fully diluted market cap 2 billion, and the market cap is 1.888 billion dollars. You know, so pretty similar with the fully diluted and the market cap. We got the halving coming up in 12 days. 12 days, 2 hours, and 21 minutes. Blocks until halving, 1,813. Getting exciting here for sure. All right, Bitcoin over here. You know, you ran up here to the top of this wedge. So far has gotten rejected. All right, we'll see what happens. It's holding this support right here, right now. We're right through there. Okay, we'll see what happens here, but expecting this thing to break out the upside. All right, we got the 3-day almost totally reset, and we have the daily RSI showing a little bit of weakness, but it's still bullish. All right, and over on Gala, if you're interested in learning how to do this stuff, guys, we have a level 3 membership, over 200 members now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the best. I love you, and we got the best community out there. But for $14.99, you get 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos. Okay. To teach you how to do this stuff, how to look for price targets for your tokens for the bull run, how to draw all the trend lines, support, resistance, how to use the Fibonacci, the trend-based fib, Elliott waves, everything. Everything I do in the videos, I teach you over 9 hours of stuff. Plus, you get a link to our Discord membership, all right, where we like to go over there and post trades every day. And we have a lot of guys over there every single day, all right? Mostly the same guys. We get new members over there, though, quite a bit. So we would love to have you for $15. I think you will be extremely happy for your $15. All right, now let's take a look here. First off, when we were back in this area here, we had this box marked off. Why did we have that box marked off? Well, we said if it hit the 618 or 702 and got rejected from there, that was bad news. All right. Well, it ended up rolling over from there. All right. Now it's wedging up in this wedge. A lot of times these will turn out to be, an A, B, C correction. Especially if you have 5 waves up over here, you would expect a corrective structure, which it. Let's go on a 12 hours so we can see if we have a wave 1, 2 in here. Let's just take a measurement once. Possibly. No, that's not right. Okay. Yeah. Can't really see a wave 1, 2 in there, but it definitely looks like a 4, 5 right there, right? So that looks like 5 waves up to me. Then you would expect an ABC. All right, if this would break down, all right, what kind of target would you be looking at for an ABC correction? Right about there. Right back at about 0.042. Now, for this to happen, though, you would expect Bitcoin to break down, correct? So that's what I would be expecting is a Bitcoin breakdown. Now, if we mark out this area right there, okay, get all this other stuff off here. Let's get this off here, get the fib off here. And if we go out on a weekly, a 618 and a 702 is your golden pocket. That is the normal area you get a bounce from. All right, if we take a measurement here, swing low to swing high, that would put us right in that area, that box, okay, the 618 and the 702, right in here. All right, that puts us right in the area where we would be looking for a bounce out of here. So do we get this ABC? The overall thing here, all right, now what happens is with Elliott waves, let me just try to do this as simple as I can. All right, now Elliott waves, like a wave 1, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves inside a wave 1. All right, and a wave 3, you have 5 waves. 4, 5. Okay, and your wave 2, your 2, and your 4 are ABC patterns. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, now if this turns out to be, let's get that stuff off there. All right, now if this turns out to be a bigger 5 wave, get that off here. It'll come, there we go. All right, get that off there. There we go. Now, if this turns out to be a bigger 5 wave move right here, you'd have 1, 2, 3, your 4th wave pull back to here, and then your 5th wave up. What kind of target would that give that 5th wave? The target for that would be, let's see here, for 5th wave would be right 10 or 11 cents, right around there, okay? So that would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and your 5 up to the 1618. Okay, is what that would be. Then after that, you would expect another ABC correction to come in here. So that would be a normal move here. Now, like I said, we had that 5 waves up. You would expect a corrective structure after that, which it looks like we could possibly be getting here. It all depends. If this breaks out of this upper resistance level, then the ABC scratched, okay? And the thing is going higher. Now, if we look at the RSIs, the daily is reset, all right? It is turned up and it's bullish. The weekly is at a 55 and a 61. Bearish right now, okay? And you can see it's heading down towards uh, the moving average down here, all right? So does it pull down just a little bit more to get to that moving average and then bounce? Possible. The monthly, not much one there. 3-day is still correcting a 4 and an 18. So you have your 3-day pulling down, your 12-hour heading up, 8-hour at the top, all right, right at the very top here, and starting to correct. All right, so if we get a break, if this ends up taking out 0.054, all right, that would take out this support right here, and I would definitely watch for 0.0425 to come in. That would complete an ABC, and then that should be a bounce area from there, and we should get out of here. And that would probably include if Bitcoin breaks down, then I can see this coming down and completing this. If Bitcoin breaks out, then we're probably going to get a breakout the upside. All right, and that would about 0.065, right around there, would break this resistance, and then you would start the next run up, and the target would be, right back up, excuse me, towards that 618 and 702, right up here, and we would be looking to take that out this time. All right, now if we get the breakout of this, the measured move for this thing, if we would get this breakout, okay, you would be looking at roughly 10. That's right up at about 10. 10.9 is the 1618. So that would kind of match right up. The 1618 up here at 10.9. That's what I'd be watching for. All right, I probably could have took this in a little bit deeper inside here and made this a little bit longer. If you had it like that, you put it on the breakout, then it would match right up with the 10.9. So very good possibility we get the breakout of the upside. I think Bitcoin is going to break out that upside. If it does not, then look for the pullback down here to 0.0425. All right, guys, thank you so much. Please consider becoming a member. We would love to have you over here. Like I said, we're doing this stuff every day. Get over in Discord with us, start trading, and have a great day, everybody.